subscribe with notifications on.
Wait, what are you eating?
Fried raw rice.
What?
Fried raw rice.
Fried raw. Fried
Rice.
raw. You see now, it's folded.
It's fried raw rice
Fried raw
with their sticks.
in China,
It's nice.
in Hong Kong.
In Hong Kong,
Ach, let me see.
this is how you use it.
Let me try them.
This is how you eat. I don't know whether this is onion or snail.
Not snake, babe. For sure, you don't think you're eating stuff.
I don't know.
Are we not eating snakes here?
It tastes like onion.
Onion. Is it nice?
It's very nice. Go on, check this one out.
Let me just see. I want to see what am I going to be eating here.
Fried raw rice. Baby, no, don't use that one. You must use the sticks. It's nice. It's very nice.